I'm gonna go ahead and make some tuna melts. So I'm just taking the crusts off the bread. You can now buy bread without the crust, but why? Because I only do this for the tuna melts. I have my brownie pan ready to go. Going to put the bread in the wells.
There's still crust on it.
And that's okay. You all will survive. I'm taking a scoop and just putting it right in. Put some pickles, some peppers. I got a request for cheese because there's not going to be enough cheese, ha, in this. You don't have to put anything in the well. You don't have to oil it. And so I'm going to put these in a 350-degree oven for about 8 minutes. That's it. I'm going to put a slice of cheese on top and a little bit of tomato. You could put onions on top. You could put pepper strips on top, any type of vegetable that you have left over. And that is how it's done in the brownie pan. And if you watch in the comments, I will post a picture of what they look like when they come out.